Mao. Lesson 44. Professor Whiskers here with Essential Money English. You learned travel phrases: airport, taxi, hotel, doctor. Now let us talk about money. Every traveler needs money. Every person living abroad needs a bank. You need to exchange currency. Use ATMs. Maybe open an account. Understand fees. How much is the fee? I need to exchange dollars to euros. Where is the nearest ATM? Can I open a bank account? Banking vocabulary is important. Numbers are crucial. You need to understand exactly what you are paying. By the end of this lesson, you can handle all basic banking situations confidently, clearly. Let us learn bank English. Even cats understand money. We work for treats, not cash. But we get the concept. First, basic money vocabulary you need to know. Money terms: cash. Physical money: coins and bills. Currency. The type of money: dollars, euros, pounds, yen. Exchange rate: how much one currency costs in another currency. ATM. Automatic teller machine: machine that gives cash. Bank account: your money stored at the bank. Deposit: put money into account. Withdraw: take money out of account. Balance: how much money you have in account. Fee: cost for a service. Bank charges, fees. Transaction: any money movement. Deposit, withdrawal, payment. Card types: debit card. Connected to your bank account. Uses your money. Credit card. Borrows money. You pay later. Prepaid card. You put money on it first, then use it. Important verbs: exchange. Change one currency to another. Transfer. Move money from one place to another. Charge. Cost: how much they take. Accept. They take this payment method. Decline. They do not take it. Or card does not work. Numbers review: you must understand numbers clearly at banks. Practice: 50, 100, 500, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000. Most common banking need for travelers: changing your money to local currency. At the currency exchange. Hello? I need to exchange US dollars to euros. Teller: how much would you like to exchange? $500. Teller: the exchange rate today is $1 equals 0.92 euros. That is 460 euros, plus a €5 service fee. Total is 455 euros. What is the fee? Teller: €5. Okay, that is fine. Teller: may I see your passport? You show passport. Teller: thank you. Here is 455 euros. And here is your receipt. Thank you. Important questions about exchange. What is the exchange rate today? Is there a fee? How much is the fee? Do I need my passport? Understanding the calculation. You give $500. Exchange rate: $1 equals 0.92 euros. You get 500 times 0.92 equals 460 euros. Minus fee: 5 euros. Final amount: 455 euros. Always check the math. Make sure it is correct. Comparing rates: different places have different rates. Airport exchange: usually worst rate, highest fees. Bank exchange: usually better rate, lower fees. ATM withdrawal: often best rate. Shop around. Compare before exchanging large amounts. ATMs are everywhere. You need to know how to use them safely. Finding an ATM. Insert your card. Put card in slot. Screen. Please enter your PIN. Enter your 4-digit PIN code. Personal identification number. Screen. Select language. Choose English. Screen. Select transaction. Options. Withdrawal. Balance inquiry. Transfer. Select. Withdrawal. Screen. Select. Account. Options. Checking. Savings. Select. Checking. Screen. Select. Amount. Options. 20, 40, 60, 100, 200. Other amount. Select amount you want. Let us say 100. Screen. Do you want a receipt? Select yes or no. Yes is better. Keep records. Screen. Processing. Machine makes sounds. Counting money. Screen. Please take your cash. Take money. Count it. Screen. Please take your card. Take card. Do not forget this. Very important. Screen. Please take your receipt. Take receipt. Keep it safe. Transaction complete. Common ATM problems. Card declined. Could be several reasons. Wrong PIN. Check your PIN and try again. Insufficient funds. Not enough money in account. Daily limit reached. You took out too much today. Card not accepted. This ATM does not take your card type. ATM out of service. Find another machine. Card stuck. Do not panic. Press cancel. Call your bank. ATM safety tips. Use ATMs inside banks during daytime if possible. Cover keypad when entering PIN. Use your hand. Take your card immediately. Do not forget it. Do not accept help from strangers at ATM. Count your money before leaving. Keep receipt for records. If someone is standing too close, ask them to step back. If you are staying longer, you might need a bank account. Starting the conversation. You. Hello. I would like to open a bank account. Bank officer. Certainly. Are you a resident or visitor? You. I am a resident. I have a work visa. Bank officer. Good. We have several account types. Checking account for daily use. Savings account for keeping money. Which interests you? You. A checking account, please. Bank officer. Excellent. Let me explain. No monthly fee if you keep a minimum balance of $500. Includes a debit card. Free ATM withdrawals at our machines. $3 fee at other bank ATMs. You. What about international transfers? Bank officer. We can send money internationally. Fee is $25 per transfer. You. How long does it take? Bank officer. Usually 2 to 3 business days. You. Okay. I would like to open the account. Documents needed. Bank officer. I will need some documents. Passport. Proof of address. Could be utility bill, rental agreement, or letter from employer, and proof of employment or income. I have my passport and rental agreement. Will that work? Bank officer. Yes. Do you have proof of employment? You. Yes. My work contract. Bank officer. Perfect. I will make copies. Initial deposit. Bank officer. There is a minimum opening deposit of $100. You. I can do that. Can I deposit cash? Bank officer. Yes. Cash, check, transfer all work. Deposit $100. Getting your card. Bank officer. Your account is now open. Your debit card will arrive by mail in 5 to 7 business days. Here is your temporary card you can use at our ATMs only. And here is your account number and all the information. Thank you. How do I set up online banking? Bank officer. You can do that on our website or mobile app. You will need your account number and this temporary password. Then create your own password. You caught it. Thank you. Banks charge fees. You need to know what they are. Common bank fees. Monthly maintenance fee. Some accounts charge monthly, often waived if you keep minimum balance. ATM fees. Using other banks' ATMs costs money, usually $2 to $5 per transaction. Overdraft fee. Taking out more money than you have. Very expensive. $30 to $35. Foreign transaction fee. Using card in another country. Usually 1 to 3%. Wire transfer fee. Sending money internationally. $20 to $50. Check fee. Some banks charge for checks. Paper statement fee. Getting paper statements by mail. Often free if you use online statements. Asking about fees. What fees does this account have? Bank officer. Explains fees. Is there a monthly fee? Bank officer. Yes. $10. Unless you keep $500 minimum balance. What about ATM fees? Bank officer. Free at our ATMs. $3 at other banks. Are there foreign transaction fees? Bank officer. Yes. 3% when you use the card abroad. Avoiding fees. Keep minimum balance to avoid monthly fee. Use your own bank's ATMs. Do not overdraw your account. Use online statements instead of paper. Ask about fee-free accounts. Some banks offer them. Sending and receiving money internationally. Sending money home. I need to send money to my family in another country. Bank officer. We can do a wire transfer. Which country? Mexico. Bank officer. Transfer fee is $25. Takes 2 business days. What would amount? $500. Bank officer. So, $500 plus 25 fee. Total $525 from your account. Recipient gets $500. What information do you need? Bank officer. Recipient's full name, bank name, account number, SWIFT code, or bank routing number, address. I have all that. Bank officer. Good. Fill out this form. Alternative transfer services. Western Union. Fast. Higher fees. Can send cash. MoneyGram. Similar to Western Union. Online services. Wise. PayPal. Venmo. Often cheaper fees. Check which is best for your needs. Receiving money. I am expecting a transfer from abroad. Has it arrived? Bank officer. Let me check. What is your account number? Give number. Bank officer. Yes. We received a transfer of $1,000. It will be available in your account tomorrow. International transfers take 1 business day to process and verify. Okay. Thank you. Problems happen. Here's how to handle them. Card not working. Excuse me. My card is not working at the ATM. Bank officer. Let me check. Swipes card. Your card is fine. Did you enter the correct PIN? Yes. 3 times. Bank officer. After 3 wrong PIN attempts, the card locks for security. We can reset it. I will need to see your ID. You show ID. Bank officer. Done. Try again now. Disputing a charge. There is a charge I do not recognize. $150 at a restaurant I have never been to. Bank officer. That's concerning. Let me file a dispute. We will investigate. Temporarily, we will credit back $150 while we look into it. Can take up to 30 days for final resolution. Thank you. Should I cancel my card? Bank officer. Yes. I will cancel this one and send you a new card. It arrives in 5 business days. Lost or stolen card. I lost my card. Or, someone stole my card. Bank officer. I will cancel it immediately to prevent unauthorized use. I will send a new card. It arrives in 5 to 7 business days. Can I get cash in the meantime? Bank officer. Yes. Come to the branch with your ID. We can give you a cash withdrawal. Homework time. Task 1. Learn to say these numbers clearly. 100, 250, 500, 1,000, 2,500, 5,000, 10,000. Practice with a friend or record yourself. Numbers matter at banks. Be clear. Task 2. Write a complete bank conversation, either exchanging money, using an ATM, or opening an account. Use today's lesson as your guide. Task 3. In the comments, tell us, have you opened a bank account in another country? What was the process? Or share a banking experience abroad. Did you have problems with ATMs or exchanges? Example, I opened a bank account in the UK. I needed my passport, proof of address, and work contract. It took 2 weeks to get my card. Or I used ATMs in Thailand. The exchange rate was good, but there was a $5 fee each time. Share your banking story in English. In Lesson 45, we learn phone conversations. Calling, answering, taking messages, making appointments by phone. Phone English. Different from face-to-face. Important skills. But today I'll learn bank English. Exchanging money. Using ATMs. Opening accounts. Understanding fees. Handling problems. Money is important. Banking is necessary. Now you know the vocabulary. You can handle transactions. You can ask questions. You can understand fees. Write down important banking information. Your account number, bank phone number, customer service number. Keep it safe. Know your PIN codes. Do not write them down where thieves can find them. Check your account regularly. Online banking makes this easy. Look for errors or unauthorized charges. Understand exchange rates. They change daily. Check rates before exchanging large amounts. Keep receipts. For taxes. For disputes. For records. Banking in a foreign language feels scary at first, but it is just vocabulary. You learned it today. Practice it. You will be fine. Money management, financial vocabulary, banking confidence, all yours now. Meow.